students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angles. In this we are going to learn interior angle, exterior angle, what is adjacent angle, what is complementary angle, and also supplementary angle. So step by step we will learn. First we are going to learn about the interior and the exterior of the angle. So here in our previous class also we have learned interior and exterior point. Now today we are going to learn interior and exterior of an angle. Now let's start with our first, but before starting our main topic, I just want to recall some things which you people had already know. Now here, first question, I just want answers from your side only. Write the name of the angle shown alongside. Now, what is the name here? What is the name in this figure? What is the name of the angle? Name of the angle is very good. It is angle ABC. I know it is an acute angle, but they are asking about the name of the angle. So, name of the angle is angle ABC, and it should be in a capital letter only. It should not written in a small letter. So, what is the name of the angle? Angle ABC. Now, next question is write the name of its vertex. Now, what is the vertex over here? Vertex क्या है इसमें? Very good. The vertex is very nice. The vertex is B. B means see here. This is our vertex, that is joining the two arm. दोनों arm को जो एक single point हमको joint करता है, it is our vertex. So our vertex is B. Now next is write the name of its arm. What are the name of its arm? Very good. There are two arms. There are two arms. That means the name of the arm is very good. BA and BC. BA and BC. See, this already you have learned in your previous class also. So, arm BA and BC. BA and BC. Now, last question I want to ask from you. Write the name of the point mark on its arm. What is the name of the point that is marked on its arm? Very good. That is A and C. Very nice. A and C are the points that are marked on its arm. Very nice. That means A and C. These are the points which are marked on the arms. Okay. Now here this is just a recall that you have learned in your previous class. Now exactly what we have to learn in this chapter, that we will start. Now I told you that we are going to learn first interior and exterior of an angle. Now just listen first everyone, and afterward what I told, that only you will write in the notebook. Now first, interior means what? Now you tell me, interior means what? The name interior. Yes. Very good. The inside part. In the angle or inside. Very nice. I want more answers from your side. Inside part. Very good. Interior means the name only means inside. Andar ke part. Now exterior means what? Exterior means out. Very good. This outside part. Very nice. And Very good. It is the outside part. So what is interior and exterior of an angle? In an angle, we have to tell the interior part and the exterior part. Now you can see over here in the plane of the figure alongside the group of point like N, M, T, which are not on the arms of an angle, form the interior of the angle PQR. Now you can see this figure. This is the figure of PQR. This is one angle, that is the name of the angle is PQR. Now in the angle, we have to find out the interior point and the exterior point. Interior means angle ke andar wala. This is our interior part. And exterior means angle ke jo bahar wala part hai wo. So here interior point is what? Point N, point M, point T and point O. These 4 points, that means N, M, T, O. This is the interior point of angle. Which angle? Angle PQR. Angle PQR के interior point is what? Angle point M, point N, point O and point T. You will not write angle P. Oh, sorry, you will not write angle M, angle R. No, it is point. So you have to write point N, point M, point O and point T are the point inside, that is interior of the angle. Which angle? Angle PQR. So in this way you have to learn what are the interior point of an angle. Now second is, now this one, the group of point in the plane. Now this is a plane, the group of point in the plane of the angle like point G, point D, point S, point E, which are neither on the arm. Arm means angle के ऊपर नहीं है. ये जो arm है इसके ऊपर नहीं है, इसके बाहर है, इसके बाहर है. So that angle, that is our exterior of the angle, that is the exterior of the angle. Which angle? Angle PQR. Angle PQR का exterior point is point G, point D, point S and point E. These are the exterior point of angle PQR. Now next, it is not mentioned over, but if like this come in point on the arms of an angle. Now points agar arms ke batana hai, so which are the points on the arm? Now you tell me. Yes, which are the points that are on arms? Arms pe kaun se points hai? Very good. P, point Q and point R. That means these are the points which are on the arms. Line pe hai. These are the points which are on the arms. So I hope you people have understood what is interior and exterior of an angle. The next point is our adjacent angle. Now, first of all, just see what is an adjacent angle. Now, you have to look at the angle in the figure alongside. Now, see in this figure, ray MQ. Now, this is one ray MQ. This is common arm of angle BMQ and angle QMD. See, this is our common arm. Common means दोनों angles में वो arms आते हैं. That is which arm? That is MQ. MQ is our common arm. That is one ray which is a common. It is coming which two angle, that is BMQ में भी वो आता है and QMD में भी वो आ रहा है. See here, angle BMQ, angle QMD. Now common is what? MQ. This is common arm. So here when the two angle having a common arm, while M is their common vertex. Now here vertex is also common. एक ही vertex है दोनों angle में when there is a common vertex, while that means M is our common vertex, the interior of this angle do not have a single common point. Now in this angle they doesn't having interior में अंदर में common point नहीं है. They may be said to be neighboring angle. ये इसका neighboring angle है, इसका बाजू वाला है ना. So that type of angle is called as an adjacent angle. Adjacent angle में you have to see what is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle having a common vertex. See, you can see over here common vertex है, common arm is there. एक ही आर्म है जो इस एंगल में भी आ रहा है और इस एंगल में भी आ रहा है, and it is having a separate interior. Separate interior is there, so it is called as an adjacent angle. So here what is adjacent angle? Angle which having a common vertex, common arm, separate interior are said to be adjacent angle. Now let's see more points regarding this only. Now see, angles, adjacent angle have one common arm. There is one common arm and other arm lie on opposite side of the common arm. Now here this is one common arm. Iska opposite sides, the other arm lie on the opposite side. Ye other arm, that is the opposite only of this common arm. They have a common vertex. एक common vertex है. Adjacent angle have separate interior. Separate interior है. इसको अकेला एक separate interior है. Inside only one interior is there. One point is there. In the given figure. Now in this figure, MB. Now in this figure, MB is the common arm of angle BMD. ये BMD में ये एक common arm है and BMQ. Now if I take BMD, BMQ, you can see over here. Once again I will draw BMD, BMQ. दो बार क्या रिपीट हो रहा है? BM. Is it? So they are not adjacent angle because they do not have separate interior. Now इसमें interior है उनके, इसमें no. So here if I take this example, if I said BMD and BMQ is an adjacent angle, no, it is not an adjacent angle. There is common arm. BM repeat हो रहा है, but there is not an interior. There is not a separate interior. That's why it is not a adjacent angle. So what is the definition of adjacent angle? Adjacent angle means two angles which have a common vertex. Now I have drawn a separate angle. Here I have marked one middle. Here I have written P, Q, R, S. Now this is PQS one angle and SQR another angle. That means there are two angles which have a common vertex. हमारा vertex क्या है? Q, which have a common vertex and a common arm. ये दोनों arm, ये इस angle में भी आ रहा है और इस angle में भी आ रहा है and separate interior, इसका separate है, ये किसी के भी साथ join नहीं है. So this is said to be an adjacent angle. So what is said to be an adjacent angle? Adjacent angle means, what is the definition of adjacent angle? Two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm, and separate interior are said to be adjacent angle, are said to be adjacent angle. Now I just want to ask you, now I will draw one angle. Now you are going to tell me the name. L M N O. Okay. Now in this angle, tell me the two angle name. Tell me the two angle name. Two angle name. Very good. LMO. Very nice. And another LMO. And another angle. Yes. OMN. Very good. So यहाँ पे दो angles कौन से है? LMO. LMO. This is one angle. OMN. Very good. This is another angle. Now here there are two angles. Now what is the common vertex over here? Common vertex is which one? Which one is our common vertex? Very good. Common vertex is M. Common vertex is M. And our common arm. Common arm जो दोनों ही angles में आता है. What is the common arm? Only O. No. Very good. That is MO. MO. This is our common arm. इस angle में भी आ रहा है और इस angle में भी आ रहा है. And having a separate interior. It is having a separate interior. So that type of angle is what? That type of angle is adjacent angle. That type of angle is adjacent angle. I hope I have clear what is adjacent angle. Okay, now we will start with our practice set 15. Observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. Now you have to observe the figure. Now by observing, you have to write it down, the interior, exterior and the points on the arm. Now it's very easy. What are the points in the interior of the angle? What is the point in the exterior and what are the points on the arms of the angle? Okay. Now here with the figure only. Okay. Now in this figure AWB, now you are going to write an answer. What are the interior point? Now tell me what are the interior point? First, give me the answers in the chat box and afterward you have to write the answers in your notebook. Very good. Point C, point X, point R, very nice. Point N, very nice. These are the interior of the angle, interior point of the angle. Very good. Now, what are the exterior point? What are the exterior point? Very good. Yeah, I'm getting the answer. Very nice. That is point T. Yes. Point U. Very good. Point U. Point. Yes. Point Q. Yes. Point V. And point Y. That are the point in the exterior. Okay. Now last, what are the points on the arm? Now what are the points on the arm? Very good. What are the points? That is A, very nice. A, then W, very good. Very nice. Then G, and last that is B. That is the point on the arms of the angle. Very good. I got the answers from your side only. Chalo, note it down in your notebook within 1 minute only. Huh? Now question number 2 of same practice set 15. Question number 2 is name the pairs of adjacent angle in the figure below. Now here you have to find out the pairs of adjacent angle. Now adjacent angle I have explained you that having a common vertex, common arm and a separate interior. So in this figure, now we will see the first figure. Okay. Now in this first figure, we have to find out the pair of adjacent angle. Pair of adjacent angle में हमको क्या देखना है? Common arm, common vertex and interior. So here first, what are the pair here? Angle A and B. You can see here A and B and angle A and C. A and C. This is our first pair. How you will identify? Because A and B and A and C. See A N. This is your common arm. N is your common vertex and N is our also a separate interior. So in this way, see, ये repeat हुआ है A N. So this is our common arm. N is our vertex and having a separate interior. So our first pair is angle ANB and angle ANC. Now our second pair, we can see here BNA, BNC. See, BN is our common arm. N is our common vertex and having a separate interior. So the second pair is BNA and BNC. Now the third one. The third pair is angle ANC and angle BNC. ANC, BNC. Here NC is our common arm. N is our vertex and having a separate interior. So here we have find out the three pairs of adjacent angle. In second figure, you can see over here, in this second figure, see how it is drawn. It is angle okay. In second pair, you can see your angle is drawn R T S, and here one ray is drawn, that is PQ. Now here how you will find out? If I have written here PQR, PQR, PQR and PQT. This is the pair of adjacent angle where PQ is our What is PQ? That is our common arm. Q is our common vertex and having a separate interior and also having a separate interior. If I write angle, see, R T S, an angle R T S, an angle R Q P, R Q P. Now here can you see any common arm? Common arm है यहाँ पे. If I take this example, if I took this one, any common arm is there? No. Any common vertex is there? Common vertex? No. That means this is not a pair of adjacent angle. Adjacent angle में definition I told you, having a common vertex, common arm and a separate interior. So that is our adjacent angle. So in this way you are going to find out the pair of adjacent angle. I hope I have cleared your doubt. So here we will stop. It's already 10 after over. So whatever is your doubt, I am going to clear you on the next Tuesday lecture. And homework part is question number 3. Question number 3 is homework. You have to write down the pairs of adjacent angle. If not, then you have to write the reason of that. So question number 3 of this practice set 15 is your homework.